Hey, do you want to learn how to compress PDF file size on mobile? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get to it. Currently, I'm on the Play Store of my mobile and I'm going to click here on the bottom, search, then search for I love PDF. Then click on it, the first option. I've already installed it, but if you have not installed it, you need to press on it and then click on install to install. So I'm going to press on open to open it up. Then it's going to ask you for the file access. So we're going to find I love PDF here and give it the file access by clicking on this on the right. That's it. Now let's go back. Next up, what you need to do is press on this on the bottom, the tools icon. And then you're going to find compress PDF over here, the third icon, click on it. Now you need to find a PDF to compress. So I'm going to take this one from my downloads folder and then click on next. Now it's going to ask you if you want extreme compression, recommended compression, or low compression. I'm going to go with the recommended compression. Let's click on compress PDF on the bottom. And there you go, the processing has been finished. Let's click on go to file. And there you go. In our files and processed files, we can see that it's now 218 KB. It's processed. And if you remember, it was 19 MB. So it got the file size from 19 MB to 218 KB, which is amazing. Now, what you can do is you can click on it to edit it, or you can click here on the right, these three dots. There are tools inside. So if you want to change the PDF to JPEG or PDF to Word and a lot more, you can do all this. We can also mark as favorite, move to bin, compress in zip file. There's share, so if you want to share this someone else, you can copy it, duplicate it, and a lot more. And yeah, that's it. That's how to compress a PDF on mobile with this tool called I Love PDF. I hope this video helped solve a problem. If it did, let me know with the like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more PDF related tutorials. So see you there and bye for now.